Let's see how to create a video using Vyond Go. Get started by selecting Vyond Go from the Create a Video option in the dashboard. All we need to do now is share the topic of the video, and select the preferred vibe, format, and layout. Each layout has several characters in different poses and locations, which we can pick from. The sample covers the topic training sales teams on negotiation skills with a formal vibe. The video's going to provide an overview of the topic through a conversational setup. We are now ready to create this video. In a fraction of seconds, Vyond Go generates the script and video, ready for use. The script and video are completely editable. You can tweak the characters, positions, dialogues, add your proprietary content, and customize them. The final step is to download the file in the MP4 format. It's simple, easy to create, time-saving, and creative.
Negotiation skills are essential in sales, don't you think?
Absolutely. It can make a significant difference in closing deals and generating revenue. And ask open-ended questions to find out needs. Just about getting what you want, but also about building long-term relationships with customers.